Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll discuss about chapter 1 worksheet 1. Now solve question number 1. Which of the following numbers are perfect square? First find 11. First we find 11's prime factorization. 11 1 is 11. So step 1, 11 equal 11 into 1. Step 2, the prime factors are not in pair. The prime factors are not in pair. So it is not a perfect square number. 11 is not a perfect square number. Perfect square number. Then we solve B. 16. First we find its prime factorization. 2 8 is 16, then 2 4 is 8, then 2 2 is 4, then 2 1 is 2. 16 step 1. 16 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then we make its pair. The prime factor are in pair. Step 2, the prime factors are in pair. So 16 equal 2 into 2 square. Then 16 is a perfect square number. 16 is a perfect square number. Then we solve C. 32. Step 1. First we find its prime factorization. Find the 2 6 is 12, then 2 8 is 16, then 2 4 is 8, then 2 2 is 4, then 2 1 is 2. 32 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then we make its pair. And then we write step 2. All the prime factors are not in pair. All the prime factors are not in pair. So 32 is not a perfect square number. 32 is not a perfect square number. 32 is not a perfect square number. Then we solve C. D. 36. First we find its prime factorization. 2 1 the 2, 2 8 the 16, then 2 9 the 18, then 3 3 the 9, and 3 1 the 3. First step 1. 36 equal 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then we make its pair. All the prime factors are in pair. Step 2. All the prime factors are in pair. 2 into 3 whole square. Then 36 is a perfect square number. 36 is a perfect square number. Perfect square number. Then we solve 50. First we find its prime factorization. Step 1. 50 equal 2 into 5 into 5. Then we make its pair. All the prime factors are not in pair. Two is left out, so we write step 2. All the prime factors are not in pair. All the prime factors are not in pair. So it is not a perfect square number. 50 is not a perfect square number. 50 is not a perfect square number. Then solve 64. First we find its prime factorization. 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, then 2 1 is 2 2 6 is 12, then 2 8 is 16, then 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, then 2 1 is 2. Then step 1. 64 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then we make its pair. All the prime factors are in pair. Step 2. All the prime factors are in pair. Two into 2 into 2. So 64 is a perfect square number. 64 is a perfect square number. (64) is a perfect square number. Then we solve the 75. First we find its prime factorization. 5 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25, then 5 3 is 15. Step 1. 75 equal 5 into 5 into 3. Then all the prime factors are not in pair. 3 is left out. Step 2. all the prime factors are not in pair. Are not in pair. So 75 is not a perfect square. 75 is not a perfect square number. Perfect square number. Now we solve question number 2. Now we solve question number 2. Which of the following numbers are perfect square of even number? First write even number. Even number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then which of the following numbers are perfect square of even number? First write as the number with their n digit even. N digit even at 784 and 576. Their square will also have their n digit even. So 121 is not a perfect square number. 121 is not a perfect square even number. Is not a perfect square of even number. Of even number. Then 225. 1 plus is 5, so it is not a even number. So 225 is not perfect square. Is not perfect square of even number. Then 784. 1 plus is 4. It is a perfect square of even number. 784 is a perfect square of even number. Even number. Then 841. Then 841. Unit place is 1, so it is a odd number. 841 is not a perfect square of even number. Perfect square of even number. Then 576. Unit place is 6. 6 is a even number. So 576 is a perfect square of even number. Perfect square of even number. Perfect square of even number. Then 6561. 6561. Unit place is 1. 1 is odd number. So 6561 is not a perfect square of even number. Perfect square of even number. Then we solve question number 3. Which of the following numbers are perfect square? Any number ending with odd number of 0 is never a perfect square number. So 100. 100 is ending with even 0. So 100 is a perfect square number. 100 first write any number ending with odd number. Odd number of zeros is never a perfect square number. Is never a perfect square. Is never a perfect square. First is 100. 100 is a perfect square. 100 is a perfect square. As it is ending with even zeros. As it is ending with even zeros. Then 2,05,000. 2,05,000 is not a perfect square number, as it has odd number of 0. 5 is a odd number. So 2,05,000 is not a perfect square. Is not a perfect square. Is not a perfect square, as it has odd number of zeros. Odd number of zeros. Then we solve 36,10,000. 36,10,000 is a perfect square and is even number of 0. So 36,10,000 is a perfect square. Is a perfect square as it has even number of zeros. Then we solve 21 crore 23 lakh. 21 crore 23 lakh. 21 crore 23 lakh is not a perfect square number, as it has odd number of 0. 3 is a odd number. So is not a perfect square. Is not a perfect square, as it has odd number of zeros. Odd number of zeros. Now solve question number 4. By just observing the digits at one place, tell which of the following can be perfect square. The number ending with 2, 3, 7 and 8 are not perfect square. First we write the digits ending with 2, 3, 7 and 8 are not perfect squares. Are not perfect squares. So 1026. Ending number is 6. 6 is a perfect square number. 1026, then 1022. 1022 is not a perfect square number. Ending number is 2. Then 1024. Ending number is 4. 1024 is a perfect square number. Then 1027 is not a perfect square number. So 1026 and 1024 is a perfect square number. Perfect square number. Then now solve question number 5. How many non-square numbers lie between the following pairs of numbers? First we see the non-perfect square number between the square number n and n plus 1. First, the non-perfect square numbers between the square of the numbers n and n plus 1 is 2n. So first I 7 square and 8 square. Here n equals 7 and n plus 1 equal 7 plus 1 equal 8. The number of non-perfect square between 7 square and 8 square equal number of non-perfect square between 7 square and 8 square equal 2n equal 2 into n, 7 equal 2, 7 the 14. Then we solve second I. 10 square and 11 square. 10 square and 11 square. Here n equal 10 and n plus 1 equal 10 plus 1 equal 11. Then non-perfect number between non-perfect numbers between 10 square and 11 square equal 2n. Then 2 into n, 10. 2 10 is 20. Now we solve third I 40 square and 41 square. 40 square and 41 square. Here n equal 40 and n plus 1 equal 41. Because 40 plus 1 equal 41. So non-perfect square number between non-perfect square numbers between 40 square and 41 square equal 2n. Then 2 into n, 40, 42 is 80. Now we solve. 0.4. 80 square and 81 square. 80 square and 81 square. Here n equal 80 and n plus 1 equal 80 plus 1 equal 81. Then non-perfect square numbers, non-perfect square number between 80 square and 81 square equal 2n. Then 2 into n 80 equal 160. Then we solve. V. 101 square and 102 square. Here n equal 101 and n plus 1. n plus 1 equal 101 plus 1 equal 102. So non-perfect square numbers, non-perfect square numbers between non-perfect square between 101 square and 102 square equal 2n. Then 2 into 101 equal 2 1 is 2, 2 0 is 0, 2 0 is 2 1 is 2. Then we solve point VI. 205 square and 206 square. 205 square and 206 square. Here n equal 205 and n plus 1 equal 205 plus 1 equal 206. Then non-perfect square numbers, non-perfect square numbers, non-perfect square numbers between 205 square and 206 squares equal 2n. Then 2 into n 205. Then 2 5 is 10, 2 0 is 1, 2 2 is 4. 410. Now we solve question number 6. Now we solve question number 6. Write down the correct number in the box. 100 square minus 99 square. Here we put formula n plus 1 whole square minus n square. Then n plus 1 equal 100 plus 99. 100 plus 99 equal 199. Then we solve B. 27 square minus 26 square. 27 plus 26 equal 7 plus 3, 13, 3, carry 1, 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 53. Uh, 569 square minus 568 square. Then n plus 1 whole square equal n plus 1 plus n. 569 plus 568 equal 8 plus 9 17, we carry 1, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 6 we 3 13, we carry 1, 5 5 plus 10 plus 1 11. Now we solve question number 7. Observe the pattern in the following and find the missing numbers. First, 121 equal 22 square divided by 1 plus 2 plus 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 equal 3, 3, 3 plus square equal 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1 equal 4. 4 is thousand place. 4, 4, 4, 4 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 3, 2, 1 equal. Then 5 is 1, 10, 100, 10,000 plus. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 square divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 equal 6 is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. 6, 6, 6, 6 square divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Then plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Then now we solve question number 8. Which of the following triplets are Pythagorean? First 3, 4, 5. Hint, let the smallest even number be 2m and find m from it. Then find 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. If you get the triplet, it is Pythagorean. First 3, 4, 5. First taking the triplet. Here the smallest even number is 4. The smallest even number equal 4. Then 2m equal 4. m equal 4 by 2 equal 2. Then Pythagorean triplet triplets are 2m, then a square minus 1, then m square plus 1 equal 2m equal 2 into 2, 4. Then m square minus 1 equal 2 square minus 1, 2 square, 4 minus 1 equal 3. Then m square plus 1 equal 2 square plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Hence 3, 4, 5. Hence 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. Is a Pythagorean triplet. Then we solve second I. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Taking the triplet 6, 7, 8. Here the smallest even number 6. The smallest even number equal 6. Then 2m equal 6. m equal 6 by 2 equal 3. Then Pythagorean triplets are 2m, then m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. First we put 2m. 2m equal 2 into 3 equal 6. Then m square minus 1, 2, 3 square minus 1, 3 3 is 9 minus 1 equal 8. Then m square plus 1, 3 square plus 1 equal 9 plus 1 equal 10. Hence, 6, 7, 8 is not a Pythagorean triplets because we find 6, 8, 10. Hence, 6, 7, 8 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplets. Then we solve third I. Ten, 24 and 26. First here the smallest natural number 10. Here the smallest natural number equal here the smallest natural number equal 10. Then 2m equal 10. m equal 10 by 2 equal 5. Then Pythagorean triplets are Pythagorean triplets are 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. Then we find 2m. 2m equal 2 into m equal 5. Then 2 5 is 10. Then m square minus 1 equal 5 square minus 1 equal 25 minus 1 equal 24. Then m square plus 1 equal 5 square plus 1 equal 5 5 is 25 plus 1 equal 26. We find 10, 24 and 26. So 10, 24 and 26 is a Pythagorean triplet. Hence, 10, 24, 26 is a Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. Then we solve point 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Here the smallest even number equal to here the smallest even number equal to, then 2m equal 2, m equal 2 by 2 equal 1. Then Pythagorean triplets are 2m, then m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. First by 2m equal 2 into m1 equal 2, then m square minus 1 equal 1 square minus 1 equal 0, then m square plus 1 equal 1 square plus 1 equal 2. We find 2, 0, 2. Hence 2, 3, 4 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Hence 2, 3, 4 is not Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplet. Thank